Today I'm going to show you how to convert a MOV video file into an MP3 audio file using VLC Media Player. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily extract the sound from any MOV video, perfect for making podcasts, playlists, or just saving the audio you want without needing an expensive app. So if you've ever wanted to turn your favorite clip or lecture into a handy audio file, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open VLC Media Player. If you haven't installed VLC yet, it's a free, widely trusted program, great for all sorts of media tasks. Once it's open, look up at the very top menu and find the Media option. Click on it and from the drop-down select Convert/Save. If you're using Windows, you can also use the quick shortcut, Ctrl+R. This is the main doorway to VLC's conversion tools, and it's a feature that tends to fly under the radar, so you might not have noticed it before. Now you'll see the Open Media dialog box. Here, where you tell VLC which file you want to convert, hit the Add button and browse to find your MOV file. If you've got multiple videos on your computer, double-check you're picking the right one. MOV files are most common from Apple devices and some cameras, so if you're unsure, look for the file ending in MOV. Once your file is selected, look near the bottom right and click Convert/Save. This brings up the Convert window where all the magic happens. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Profile. Click on this and select Audio MP3. This is the profile that tells VLC you just want the audio. Why MP3? MP3 files are universally supported, easy to share, and lightweight, so they're perfect for almost any use. Next up is setting where your new MP3 file will be saved. Click the Browse button under Destination, and this will let you choose your folder. Pick somewhere easy to remember like your desktop or Documents folder. In the dialog that pops up, type in a name for your new MP3 file. Here's a crucial bit, make sure to add MP3 to the end of your file name. This tells your computer it's truly an MP3 file. If you skip this part, your file might end up unreadable, or VLC could save it as a generic file. So for example, instead of just lecture audio, call it lecture audio MP3. Go ahead and click Save when your file name looks good. You're nearly done. Now just click Start to begin the conversion. Depending on the size of your MOV file, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. A blue progress bar will appear at the bottom of VLC, showing you the status. If your video is particularly large, don't worry, VLC is pretty efficient, but let it finish up in its own time. And that's it. When the process is done, you'll find your new MP3 in the folder you picked earlier, ready to play, edit, or share. This method works for all sorts of MOV files, from big movie clips to short voice memos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Feel free to leave a comment with any questions. I read them all and try to help out as best I can. And if you want more easy tech tips and helpful guides like this, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.